What's up YouTube? Today I got a brand new video for y'all. As y'all from the title, today's video is going to be kind of like a test on the Apple's MagSafe charger. This is their new charger. It's a wireless charger that connects to the back of the phone. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is testing if it works on other Apple products, not just the iPhone 12s, but things like the AirPods Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and also the Samsung S20. Now this is not an Apple product, so we're going to see if it actually works with this phone, because this phone does have the ability to charge wirelessly. So we're going to see if the Apple MagSafe charger works with the Samsung S20. So let's go right ahead and jump into the unboxing. So let's just pull this tab right here, take that off, just open up the box. Nice packaging from Apple. Alright, we have some paperwork here. There's some more paperwork in here. Alright, and then we have the actual product here. It's designed by Apple in California. And here it is, the MagSafe charger, and it goes to USB-C to the actual MagSafe. Just pull this tabs off, and you actually do need the power brick to be able to use this charger. So make sure that you actually have the USB-C compatible power brick. Go ahead and take it out the packaging. And the actual pad is a little bit bigger than I actually expected, but I mean, I guess it will fit on the back of the phone. As you can see here, it's a nice kind of like aluminum feel, smooth aluminum, and then on the back here is like a kind of like a rubberish texture. It's a nice, it has like a shiny ring around here. Just a nice design by Apple. And on the end, of course, the USB-C. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to an Apple power brick here. So connect it there and then plug it into a outlet. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is take the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm gonna go ahead and just try out the new charger. So just gonna place it on the back of the phone, and it just sticks on magnetically like that. Gets like a little click. Let me try that again. It does like a different sound. Let's go ahead and try it with the iPhone 12 Pro here. You guys can hear like the little sound at the beginning, and it's actually a pretty good magnet. I mean, like, I can hold it from the magnet and the phone actually won't come off. You guys can see like that. Hold it from the cord, the phone won't come off. The same thing goes with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Even though it is a lot more heavier, it can still support the weight of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're gonna go ahead and try it with the, I think I'm gonna start off with the iPhone 11 Pro Max here with the case on. Let's see how good this charger is, and let's see if it works with the 11 Pro Max, because the 11 Pro Max has the ability to wireless charge. So let's just try it out. Let's just put it to the back of the phone, and look at that, it actually does work even with the charger on the back. Even though it doesn't have like the magnetic feel to be able to stick onto it, it still is capable of charging your phone. Look at that, it's charging. You guys can see, okay, it's charging at 30%. Get off, stop charging, and begin charging. You just place it on kind of like the back right here where the Apple logo is. It works with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's see if it works with the Samsung S20. Also capable of being wirelessly charged. So let's go ahead and put it on the back of the phone and let's see what happens. And it is charging, look at that. 70% right now, and it's charging. Right here in the corner, there's a little lightning, it's charging. Take it off, and it actually kind of sticks. So I guess Samsung has incorporated a magnet into the back of their phone. I think one thing that a lot of people are really wondering about the new MagSafe is if it will charge their AirPods. So these are the AirPods Pro, also capable of wirelessly charged. So let's go ahead and put them on the MagSafe charger. They're actually charging. Take them off, put them on. You can see the little orange light turns on. You take them off, turns off, put them on, turns on. So that means that they are actually charging. Now I'm going to try to charge my Apple Watch, because the charger to the Apple Watch is very similar to this MagSafe charger. You guys can see, look at that. It's not much of a difference other than the size. Looks almost the same. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put my Apple Watch on top of the MagSafe charger and see what happens. Doesn't look like it's charging. Nope. Maybe if we move it around a little bit. Nope. Alright, so this is a fail for the Apple Watch. The MagSafe charger cannot charge your Apple Watch. So if you got the MagSafe to try to charge your Apple Watch too, expect it to fail, because for me it did not work. And also I just found out that it kind of also has to stick in place. So if you have it like a little bit to the side, like right here, it won't actually start charging. You guys can see. So it has to actually fit in its place, and it'll actually kind of like almost do it by itself. If you kind of move it, look at that. It sticks right in its place and it starts charging. So make sure that you have it centered right where it is supposed to be, and then your phone will start charging. Same thing with the 12 Pro here. Center where it's supposed to be, and it starts charging. I would really recommend this charger to anybody that just wants to quickly charge their phone and just set it on a table and it just bam, starts charging. No need for the whole cord, plug it in. And it's also a lot safer because if you wake up in the morning, you want to grab your phone and then you just have it connected to your cord, you might risk breaking your cord or even damaging your charging port. So with the new MagSafe charger, you can just keep it like on your desk, lift it up, even if it did come off, nothing's gonna happen. It's just a magnet. And also the very strong magnet that connects to the phone is also a very good plus about this charger, just because, I mean, look at that. I can almost bounce the phone and it still won't come off. That's also a really good plus about this charger. It's a nice sturdy connection between the magnet and the actual phone, and you also have the ability to charge a wireless Samsung if you ever felt like it, or even your older wireless compatible charging phone, just like nothing, or even your AirPods, your wireless chargeable AirPods. This product is $40. I got this at Target for $40. Like I said, you will need just the power brick, the USB-C compatible power brick to connect it into the outlet. But overall, this product is amazing. I mean, I really recommend this, especially as time goes on. Apple probably will remove their charging port and just be all wireless, just because everything's getting more high-tech. The review of the MagSafe charger, and we also got to use it with many different other products, not just the iPhone 12s. Like if you're wondering what else it would work on, not just the iPhone 12s. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the MagSafe review. Consider dropping a like on this video and subscribing if you haven't already. I'm posting reviews, unboxings, and all that cool stuff. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.